Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Aura subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to identify where you have originally purchased your subscription. Like if you have purchased your subscription on Android device, so you can cancel by using your first method, or like I'm going to provide you. And if you have purchased your subscription by using your iPhone, then you need to follow second method. Okay, so for Android users, you need to open your Play Store, you need to select your profile icon, and you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your Aura app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Now if we talk about if you have taken subscription by using your iPhone, then in that case you need to open your iPhone settings app, and you need to select your Apple ID, and you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your Aura app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So by using this way you can cancel your aura.com or Aura subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.